are you today? So now, hope you're doing well.
I'm doing well.
Hope you're doing
Doing
well.
well.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Is it Mama's birthday? Oh, it's Daddy's birthday tomorrow, honey. You give that to Daddy tomorrow, huh? Say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you, sweetheart. I love you.
I do.
Mwah. Ala, nagluhay-luhay, mangkanak.
Boy.
Whoa! Come on. One forward. Yeah.
Ang tingnan niyo si Paris.
Yeah. Push forward. And then change legs.
Ito guys, oh, ang aking family ay nagsukay-sukay. Hala! Huy! Maramang mga unggoy sa lantay. Happy Sunday! Welcome back to our channel. Kumusta ang ating mga lagay-lagay dyan? Kumusta tayong lahat? Kami dito okay lang naman. Late kaming nagising today as always kasi weekend and also lockdown kaya hindi naman kami makagora bells kahit saan. Kaya dito lang kami sa bahay today and I fixed the bed already. Ayan, okay na siya. Tapos si Daddy Mike and Paris, nandun sila sa sala. Mike prepared our breakfast for today. So, ginising niya kami ni Paris. Sabi niya, breakfast is ready. So, very sweet ni Daddy Mike, no? And, yun siya, nandun siya. Tapos si Paris nakaudo. Kaya, andito, niready ko na yung mga, damit ni Paris ba? Kasi sobrang, sobrang dirty na niya ba? Kasi kumain siya. Kaya sabi ko, i-open ko muna yung aking vlog. And you know what? Oh, God, gusto ko lang mag-relax talaga today, oy. It's good. Tapos sa labas din naman, tingnan nyo, oh. Parang din naman yung weather, yung pang-relax na weather ba? Kasi may sasakyan pala sa labas. Kasi wala si haring araw. It's very, cloudy. Tapos sobrang ginaw. Kaya yung ating heater ay hindi mawawala. Ayan, oh. Kaya sumasakit ang ulo ni Daddy Mike. Kasi yung heater is very drying ba? Nakaka-dehydrate. And sinindihan ko ang ating kandila, scented candle. Kasi para, para more relaxing lang dito sa kwarto. Ayan. Tapos, I'm also uploading video. Ayan, oh. So, it's uploading. So, yan yung upload natin for today. And, what else? Ayan, ang ating outfit is ito. Tingnan niyo yung outfit natin. Oh, diba? Bongga! Ayan, oh. Yung ating bilbil nakita. Baya, ito na yung outfit natin kasi relaxing lang naman tayo today. Wala man tayong ibang gagawin. Tingnan natin yung dalawa. Tingnan niyo. Paris! Come na! Come na, change yung bambam na? UFC kasi today guys, kaya yun si Daddy Mike nandun sa sala since this morning talaga. Kasi alam nyo, yan talaga yung bisyo ni Daddy Mike. Yung UFC, and alam nyo, before, kung hindi lang sana lockdown, for sure, nandito na yung mga kaibigan niya. Kasi nanonood yan sila ng mga kaibigan niya. And habang nanonood, they're shouting, ganun. Kaya very noisy yan sila pag nanonood. Pag nandito yung kaibigan niya. Pero ngayon, kasi wala yung kaibigan niya, wala siyang kasama. Tapos ako yung sinasabihan niya, let's watch, ginaganyan na ako, sabi niya. Sabi ko naman, sige, I'll watch a little bit. Pero, maglilinis pa ako ng bahay. Kasi yung isang kwarto, hindi ko pa nga natapos. And, yeah, yan talaga yung sobrang addict talaga si Mike sa UFC, guys. And, I'm very happy kasi si Daddy Mike, yan lang talaga yung bisyo niya. So, hindi siya nagagamble, hindi siya umiinom. Actually, umiinom siya, pero, anong tawag dito? Pag may okasyon lang. So, hindi talaga yung sa bahay, umiinom siya everyday, ganun. Wala talaga. Pag pumupunta kami sa ibang bahay, binibisita namin yung mga kaibigan niya, yun, umiinom siya. Occasionally lang na pag-iinom. Tapos, hindi siya nagsisigarilyo. Never talaga siyang nagsisigarilyo. Kaya, okay lang sa akin na, wala yan siyang magawa pag UFC. Kasi, nanonood lang talaga yan siya ng UFC all day. And I think, ano naman, main event na daw yan ngayon, oh. So, hindi naman talaga hanggang gabi yung UFC niya. But for me, ay maglilinis muna ako kasi yung isang kwarto ay kailangan ko pa talagang linisin. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ha? Ipakita ko sa inyo para malaman nyo ang mga pangyayari dito. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo. Nilabas ko lahat yung mga damit ni Paris. Ayan. Di ba nung unang gabi, namili ako ng yung ibibigay nga namin sa kaibigan ni Mike. Tapos, parang gikuha na lang na ako lahat ba para itupi ko ng maayos. Ayan. Kaya, marami pa akong gagawin talaga. Ito medyo, ano pa yan siya. Pero dito, malinis-linis na siya kasi naka-organize naman yan dyan, naka-hanger. And ito pala is, ilalagay ko dito. Itong ano na to. Hindi ko pala na-open yung plastic. Oh. Sobrang ganda talaga nito. I really love this one. So, yung gagawin ko, baka mamaya, ilalagay ko yan dyan siya. Diba may flower dyan na frame before? Tapos, kinuha ko kasi gusto kong ilagay doon sa sala. And then, ayaw naman ipalagay ni Daddy Mike doon kasi broken yung sa ibabaw niya ba. Kaya, bibili na lang kami ng bago. Pero ito siya, dito ko yan siya ilalagay. That? What is that? Nabihisa na natin ang ating baby girl. Yes! What is that, anak?
It's cat's hair clip.
Hair clip.
It's cat's.
Is that your hair clip?
Cat's hair clip.
Did Mama change your bum bum?
No, it's the mom broke. Mama, please.
Yes. What's the color of this hair clip?
Right.
Red.
Because it is.
Wait, let's put your hair up, eh. Mama
No,
will tie your hair
that
up.
one.
Huh?
That.
Yeah. Come on.
No.
Hi, friends.
No,
Sabi, hi,
no.
friends.
Hi, friends.
Basta lagi sa camera lagi. Basta mag-hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
How are you today?
Hi, day. Ah!
So, na, hope you're doing well.
I'm doing well.
Hope
Oh,
you're
you're
doing
doing
well.
well.
Yay!
Bush. Oh, it's my bush.
It's Mama's toothbrush. Give it to Mama B. Ano naman na diha?
No, yours.
It's Mama's.
No, yours. I see that play. That's yours. It's mommy.
Careful.
It's mommy. It's mommy.
It's Mommy's. Give the toothbrush to Mommy B.
That's me, mine.
Quick. Use that as your microphone. Come on, sing for Mama.
No.
Sing for Mama. Oh, A, B, C, D. Quick. Quick. I-R-T. A, B, C, D. Hala, grabe. Ka-energetic ng bataan eh. Naksakto yung tulog gabi na. Ha? Baby girl? Did you sleep well last night? Anna.
The heart. The heart. Has it bloat. The heart.
What's that?
The heart.
Heart. Show B? Show Tita and Tito the heart, B?
Happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Is it Mama's birthday? Oh, it's Daddy's birthday tomorrow, honey. You give that to Daddy tomorrow, huh? Say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Thank you, sweetheart. I love you.
I do.
Mwah. Ala, naglaway-laway, mang kanak.
Boy blue.
Ha? You're drooling.
No, boy blue. Boy blue. Heart.
Heart. How about the... Where's the squirrel?
There.
Where? There it is. What's the color of the squirrel?
Orange.
Orange.
That's orange.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Oh, is it yellow? It looks like orange to me.
See?
How about the flamingo? Kinakain ko tong leftover namin kagabi. 'Di ba kasi take away kami kagabi and may naiwan pa. Kaya ito yung kinakain ko. Tapos, din tayo, yung tawag dito, boil din tayo ng itlog. Actually, naglagay na pala ako ng 4. Yan, oh. Kasi I love boiled egg. Tingnan nyo ang ating bata, oh! Nak, who told you that you can go inside, Nak?
Then go to the buff.
Huh? Bath,
The buff.
dirty clothes mana diha. It's not a bath, Baba. Hala, kumuha pa talaga siya ng
No.
Bangko.
No touchy.
No touching ka karon.
Never do that.
Now, sa ni paggawas diya karon, bantay lang ka magpatabang. Ha?
No.
Bantay magpatabang lang ka.
I know.
La 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 la. Naong gini mo pa rin yan. Are you okay?
You try.
Ambot na lang ni mo anak ko eh.
Mommy.
Ang ating mag-amay, alis mo na.
He's lucky.
Diyan lang sila sa harapan ng bahay maglalaro.
What are you waiting for?
You can go.
Come on.
Come on.
Okay.
Ayan.
He's hot.
Stand it up.
Lalaroin lang ni Daddy si Paris din sa labas o sa harapan ng bahay kasi hindi naman kami makakalayo.
Come on.
Yay! Alam niya naman yan si Paris. Yan yung talagang gustong-gusto niya.
Stop, yeah.
Wala, di ara sila taman guys. Kaluoy ba nila ani?
Okay, ready? One leg forward. And down. Whoa! Come on. One forward. Yep.
Tingnan niyo si Paris.
Yeah. Push forward. And then change legs. Change. Change legs.
Check natin yung mailbox be.
Good girl.
Well done,
And then
sweetheart.
Put your arms up. Up. Up higher. Okay. Stand up. High. Higher. Yay. And then, yeah. Up. And out. And
The baby boat. That's the baby boat.
up.
Hindi na siya makahintay.
This side. Like this. Look, Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Good girl, Paris. Well done.
Okay,
That's a
running.
warm up
Run, run,
before
run.
you play with the ball.
Run.
Ano, kawawa naman to sila. Alam niya talaga yan si Mike, guys. Gusto niya talaga na yung parang hindi na stuck si Paris sa loob ng bahay. Kaya hindi man kami makalayo-layo. Dito lang yan sila. Lalaro ng boss. Good job, Baba. Very proud of you. Very proud of you.
Jump. Jump.
The book has
Hala, di na siya pakahulat o gusto na niya maglaro ng ball. Daddy niya,
Like this.
very warm up pa eh.
Look at Daddy. Up. Hands.
She can't wait anymore, Daddy.
Okay, kick the ball. Catch. Catch.
No, the farm. You.
What? Flower. Okay, running.
It's a
Running.
flower.
Up.
Go up, follow Daddy na, quick.
Come.
Lalalala. Ano pa siya, panono?
Okay, lay down. Lay down. Lift one leg up.
Nakakatuwa talaga itong mag-ama na to. Ala, anyways, kisa si Mama Nakbe. Mama ganagawin na, be.
It's not a bee.
Love you, anak.
Lay down. Lay down.
Enjoy! Babalik muna ako sa loob, guys, kasi yung aking family ay ka-video call ko pala. Iniwan ko. So, ang aking family ay nagsukay-sukay. Hala! Wala mag mga unggoy sa lantay.
Nag-vlog siya
Ma.
ng mga kwan. There is kuto everywhere.
Ala, ma, imo na tanan, ma?
Ano na yan? Mamuha na sa
Hala, bisag mo pag hi sa ma, hi vlogs. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, everyone!
Huy, wala man naglechon day, Mac?
Wala na kayo nagkuhan. Hindi kami naglitsyon kasi wala kaming oras.
Hala, wala oras.
Ay, nagpagbiya siya na po.
Huy, may oras. May oras kayo na magsukay-sukay na. Wala may oras na maglechon.
Kayo nag-prepare man sa kuan. RM.
Ay, RM. Ayan. Oh, ganito ginagawa namin, guys. Pag Sunday, ganyan. Dapat may time para sa family din. Hala, i-off na nato ni Oy kay luodon man ang atong kuan dani atong subscribers.
Ibugos na katungod na ako.
Aw.
Dito kami sa aming daan nga bahay, guys.
Dito kami sa aming daan nga bahay. Pag sure sa Tagalog diha.
Aman ni kumaliwan sa imo. Dito kami, guys, sa aming lumang bahay. Nandun aming bagong bahay, guys.
Char. May manok na pula man lagi. Manok na pula.
Wala na may kuan, guys. Wala na traffic. Kay kuan naman. COVID.
Walang-
Naina na namo og sa
Ihaw.
bawang manok pa nga pula, guys.
Ang manok na pula inihaw na. Hindi na nadala sa sabungan.
Usually, walang tao ng among compound, guys. Wala among balay, guys.
Kung
Katuwa
paano
ka
maka...
sa among kuya. Ito na, guys.
Ala, wala makita. Duyanan man nga net ang nakita.
O, kung gusto mo maglaan sa akong balay, guys, dagan kami tuyanan. Sa 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, guys. 8.
Gabi nga duyanan na.
Madala ni mo ang imong tibuok pamilya din
Ayan, medyo malinis na siya tingnan, guys. Ang ating anak ano dito sa loob. Tingnan nyo.
In the bucket, mommy.
What is it, Baba?
In the bucket. In the bucket, mommy.
A bucket?
In the bucket.
What's bucket?
In the bucket.
Ha?
In the bucket.
Hala, unsa ka na imong buhok na? Imong shibangs. What's wrong with your shibangs? Hala, matagap ko.
Mommy.
Mami, natapos na silang maglaro sa labas ng daddy niya. Dito na naman siya sa loob magsinamok sa ako. Gapamilo pa yung inahan. Put your beanie on ako. Do you know how to put it on? Here.
No, 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 no.
Ay, ko pa inono-no, ha? Yes, Paris.
It's Indigo.
No, Paris.
Sure.
I'm sure, Paris.
Up in the way.
Ah.
Hurts.
It hurts. Oh no, it hurts na knee.
Go outside.
Oh no. Do you want me to call the doctor na?
Might be hurting.
Huh? Do you want me to call the doctor?
Below for
I'll call the doctor. Daddy, call the doctor, Daddy. Paris is hurt. Ah, the doctor is here. Uy, hubak pa ng doctor. It's the doctor.
Hello, doctor.
The doctor na, Paris' knee is hurt.
Dr. Daddy here.
Come on,
Can I
doctor.
please check your knee?
Daddy, fix your knee.
Okay, ready? Let me listen.
Ala.
Okay, I think I can fix it, Paris.
Listen, Daddy.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Now, is it better?
No.
This hurts. Okay, close your eyes. Is it better now?
This is the butter. Soup.
Marcia, better. Alas stress na pala siya, guys. Mag-ano tayo, mag-snacks tayo. Uy, Hindi pa rin ako natapos sa pagtupi ng mga damit pa. Putol-putol man. Ayan, mag-ano tayo ng Uber Eats. Nandito na, nakalabas ng ating ano. Ang tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng donuts, guys. Bili tayo ng donuts. Ito yung binibili ko from Dowdy's. Kasi malapit lang sa amin. Ayan. Bili tayo. Para may pang-snacks tayo. Ito yung palagi kong binibili. O yung any one bubble tea. Tapos may 4 na donuts for $20. Yan na, para hindi na pili-pili. Turuan natin ating anak na guys, na linis. Oh, here. Kasi siya naman sa sagbot-sagbot, ani. Here. It's okay. Wipe. That's it. Well done. Oh, well done na. Wipe. Good girl. Wow. Good job. Yeah, that's why. Ikaw naman sa'yo naghugaw-hugaw, anak. Ikaw magtrapo. Oh, enough na. Wipe na yun, quick. Wipe. Good job. Ah, maayuha kayo magtrapo, oh. Yaki. Here, oh, na, oh. Oh, gahi, oh. Kayo sila kayo magibuhat diha. Thank you for helping Mama, nak. Thank you. Paris, what do you say when Mama say thank you?
Thank you.
No, you say you're welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome, that's right. Thank you, Paris. Okay, klaro. Oh, di ba? Mas klaro imong kanyag, nak. Oh. Mas klaro ang iyong kagandahan. Walang sagbot ang ating salamin. Wow, have a look. Who's that beautiful girl?
Queenie.
What's your name? What's your name? Baba, what's your name?
More.
Amor. More. What's your name?
Pass.
Paris.
Mike.
First Mike. Paris.
Juju.
Tito
Juju.
Dudong. What's your name ba? What's your name? Paris?
Pass.
Nicole?
Nicole. Nicole.
Kenzie. Alin na nak?
ABCD.
Wala pa ka na human.
Ma.
Naapilo na lang niya ang kuha na mong... Hala, careful that baby girl. Ay, bataa ka, oy. Hala, i-wipe na lang din niya ang aming window kay very abog daw.
Mama, mommy.
Good girl.
Baka, mommy.
No more man, oh. Finish na, queen naman na. Nauga, anak, Bi, kay mataga ka, nak. Makatilaw pa lang ka, nak. Hala na, put in the bin. Thank you, Paris. Tingnan natin kung ilagay mo niya sa bin. Just put it in the bin. Put it in the bin. Ito na. Honey. Baby Paris. Baby girl. What's this?
Chip.
Chip! Snack muna tayo, guys, kung may time. Oh, anak. Ito yung binili ko, guys. Ayan. So, 4 siya. Tapos, ito. Kain muna tayo, guys. Ayan. Sweet. Ala. Ang ating baby girl ay kakagising lang sa kanyang nap. Baby girl, did you have a good nap, honey? It's broken.
Broken.
Mama's camera is broken. Shush.
My feet.
I enjoyed the cuddles, nak. Nagkado-kado lang kami, guys. Sana ganito yung mukha ko pagising ko, guys. Oh. I woke up like this. You're such a beautiful girl. Mukha mong baby, oy. I love you, anak. I love you, Paris.
Mommy, open.
Open. Come on. Magre-ready na tayo ng ano, guys. Uy, ng ating panihapon. Okay, careful na. Pataga ka. Ayan, si Daddy Mike ay nandun, nanonood pa rin ng ano, ng... Ewan ko anong pinapanood niya sa TV. What would you like for dinner, honey?
Egg.
Huh? Egg. Do you want egg?
Okay.
Egg? Okay, Mama will cook egg for you if you like. What do you say to Mommy?
No, good. I want good rice.
Rice. Would you like rice? Okay, Mama cook rice for you and for me.
Actually,
Yeah, for you and for me. The rice is for you and for me.
it's best.
Yeah, Paris will eat. Hala, big kayo mo. Buyag man kay na anak ko. Diyos, palangga man kayo ni Mama. Palang buhok gubot ah. Let's go in the kitchen na. Let's cook dinner. Let's go. Say, let's go, Mama.
So, Mama.
Paris, go. Nak, sino nagsuot sa'yo ng beanie, Nak? Is that your beanie? Did you put it on for her, Bob, or she did it herself?
It's pink.
I put it on.
It's pink.
What color is this? It's purple, manak. Taka naman ka.
Not pink. It's pink.
Imong naong, imong aping may pink. Be, have a look at Mama. Be, have a look at her cheeks, guys. Oh, so pink. Sana oil.
Notice that in there,
Huh?
Taking the haters by the pink.
Yeah, I don't know. Look at Mama, Be.
Yeah.
Give Mama one, Be. Thank you.
Oh.
Give Mama one, please. Where? Ano na? Ayaw ito masasalog, Nak. Give me one, please. Ay, laog ka. Give me one. Give me one. Ano na pala siya, guys? Mag-aalas 6 na siya ng gabi. Thank you, princess. Ayan, magluluto tayo ng ano? Steak for dinner. Oh, what's it there?
For Paris. Maybe
Ah,
it's
okay. Paris.
Macaroni and cheese bites.
Be, have a look, Be. Yeah, what's that? Macaroni.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know.
Hi loves, it's nearly 10 o'clock na ng gabi and nandito kami sa other room kasi yung tatay ni Paris ay nagpapahinga na. Ang ating baby girl ay sobrang gising pa. Diba kasi late siya nagnap kanina. Anak! Anak! Is that your money? What is that? What is that? Ayan, may ano si Paris. Oh, nag-iipon si Paris ng kanyang mga sinsilyo.
Paris.
Yes. Where's your coins? Tingnan nyo. Pilipinas pala na 5 pesos, oh.
Mommy.
Hala, did you put it in there, Nak? Peso man to, Nak. That's peso. What na? Kaya nag-iipon si Paris, Nak. What are you saving for?
Put it.
Huh? What are you saving for? Are you saving for your first car? Nag-save siya para sa kanyang first car. Anyways, we're going to end the vlog here now, guys, kasi it's getting late na and papatulog ko na rin si Paris. Maraming salamat sa inyo, sa mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pag-hit ng subscribe button and sana i-hit nyo na rin yung bell button para naman notified kayo pag meron tayong bagong videos. We'll just do a quick shout out now, guys. First shout out goes to Cici Febrel Go, Janet Gordon, Evelyn Ramirez, Vivian Bayona, and also shout out daw to Shamzi, Jean Bayona, and Avelina Agawin. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Joy Paklibar, Elsie Maglangit. Anak, there's no more space, manak. That's why. Check it out, kay. Bakit mo man sinulod dyan? Oh, ayan, oh. Oh, good. Shout out to Angel Chris Barte, Shout out to I Hang Out With My Girls. Shout out to Lina de los Santos, the D Family, Victoria's Secret BCM Live TV. Shout out to Olivia Namiki from Japan. Shout out to Ria Sicharon, and shout out to Jorin Balatan, Evert Suta 53, Lexron Jem, Regan Olesco and the family. Shout out to Nori Aliada, Perla Gallo, Teresita Abaluyan, Tia Altia Salilid, and also sa iyang anak na si Manilyn. Shout out. Shout out to Mary Jane Tijada, Maria H.Y. Cruz, Rosana Hidalgo, Aubrey Don Takas Caños, Sonia Lyson, Rosemary La Rosa, Rosario Manalo. Shout out to Me ASMR, Mylene Franco, Melba Musni, Our Life Australia Philippines. Shout out to Virgo Manarang, Viuli S, Rosalyn Taihon, Margaret Bayubay, Mercedita Bagyo, Lorena Lake, Kathy Fontaniel, Reggie V. Foley. Shout out to Papa Tao. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Inday Gaetana, Feli Toledo, and Vanch Asibar. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
be careful.
Bye. Bye.
Be careful. Bye.